Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Back up your phone now and make sure you have sufficient battery or a charger plugged in. Once done, check the exact OS version and read the update notes so you know what to remove. Next, enable developer options or install the specific rollback tool required for your device. This gives you access to the controls needed. Make sure to allow USB debugging or installer permissions, so the next steps you will now perform the actual rollback using the downloaded firmware and a flashing tool. First, connect the phone to your PC and boot into the bootloader or recovery mode. Follow vendor key combos if needed. Then load the correct firmware image in the flasher, choose the option to wipe cache and data if required, and start the flash. While the tool runs, monitor progress and do not disconnect the cable. Interrupts can brick the device. Once complete, reboot to verify. You finish by rebooting into the restored OS and immediately restore your backup. Then test key functions like calling, Wi-Fi, and apps. If the phone fails to boot or loops, force into recovery and either reflash the stable image or boot into safe mode to isolate a faulty app. Make sure to save logs and error screens. They help support. If hardware-level errors appear or flashing repeatedly fails, contact the vendor or an authorized repair center for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.